Knowledge is only born from cooperation and solidarity between people and territories, an idea that brings together the European Union on firm foundations. Its nations and regions believe in sustainable development and in the search for empirical answers as a path, leading to a green, innovative and digital agriculture. The challenge is to get knowledge flowing through the continent and from Europe, which is the key to turning it into universal knowledge. This journey began 4 years ago. It was then when a barrier to access consultancy and training sources and spraying equipment was detected.
All information bygger ju i princip på spannmålsodling och eftersom att vi har så mycket specialgrödor.
Lo que hacemos es ir a internet, a San Google, metemos ahí lo que queremos buscar y claro, ahí te viene pues toda la información.
L'innovazione dell'agricoltura fra meccanizzazione e tecnologia digitale avrebbe bisogno di strumenti di raccordo fra la conoscenza scientifica.
This challenge for farmers, small manufacturers and regional institutions landed finally in the European Union, and it was the Polytechnic University of Catalonia that coordinated a goal, the creation of the INNOSETA network to connect ideas and knowledge. This is the story of how a cooperation path has been woven, because Europe is the key. A group of researchers, machinery manufacturers, civil servants and farmers met face to face and online in order to decide what should be done. A useful tool needed to be developed that was capable of gathering and spreading all the technical information about crop protection equipment and that could share this information throughout the continent.
And I had the idea or some idea in the few months ago, in the last weeks, what I realized is that in general, the stakeholders, say farmers or advisors or manufacturers as you, they have no idea or they have very low possibilities to reach the available materials.
We have actually no real manufacturers also in Sweden. So farmers, they come to us who are advisors and try to get information, and they try to search themselves, but it's confusing and you never know what is information material or what is advertising material, etc.
It's also important for the industry, I feel, to be able to offer all our tests and all our field demos and the testimonials that we can have from the day-to-day basis, and then collect it.
Once the concept was given shape and the intentions were clear, a total of 15 members from 7 different countries decided to turn to the European institutions for help, and the committee supported them through the Research and Innovation Community Programme Horizon 2020. Europe was the key. With this funding, they developed an internet platform to group together and disseminate technical, training and advisory knowledge about spraying equipment. The path of cooperation was progressing. The city of Barcelona hosted the presentation of the new website. The researchers, manufacturers, farmers and institutional staff that came up with the initial idea gathered together to show the new tool to primary and industrial sector professionals.
The main objective and the main tool developed inside this project is the INNOSETA platform. We have been able to collect more than 1,000 materials units classified in 4 different topics or classes as industry solutions, projects at EU level and at national level, material for training and articles, but not scientific articles, but technical articles.
The INNOSETA platform helps us to get in contact with the customer. That means farmers, dealers, consultants to explain more about our products, but also that they understand there should be the same base of regulations all over Europe.
In het INNOSETA-project hebben we een schat aan info verzameld over innovatieve spuittechnieken en goede praktijken. En via ons platform willen we eigenlijk die info ter beschikking stellen voor alle geïnteresseerden in Europa en bij uitbreiding de hele wereld.
Formación siempre es importante, ¿vale? A cualquier nivel, desde el básico agricultor hasta el más técnico, porque hoy en día pues, todo va muy deprisa, toda la información va muy deprisa.
Through the INNOSETA project, financed with Horizon 2020 program funds, information has been structured so that it can be transferred with the aim of moving towards a common and cohesive primary sector. We will move forward only if we do it with the values that define us.